If you are trying to sign up for a program at the Bainbridge Island Senior Community Center using your computer, you might have been frustrated. I know many of us have been. And so I'm going to take a little time today to talk a little bit about how you can register to sign up for classes and pay for them online. And so let me just share my screen here. Start by sharing our website. You're going to go to a class that's going on here, right? You're looking at classes that we're offering. And you say, oh, there's a class that I would like to take. And so you're going to say, oh, let me go to the calendar and sign up with My Active Center, which is the location that we use for all of the programs that we have. So it's part of the system that we use called My Senior Center, and it's every program that we have scheduled shows up in My Active Center. And if you click on this link, it will take you to our actual Bainbridge Island Senior Center My Active Center. You might find yourself going to My Active Center just by going to myactivecenter.com. And if you're seeing that, you're seeing a page that doesn't specifically call out any particular senior center. Is that what you're seeing now?
Yeah.
So you can click on Change My Location, and you can either search for our center, or you can, I guess I have to spell it right, or you can use our zip code, and then it will take you to this same place, which is our version of My Senior Center, which shows every program that we have scheduled on the calendar. So from A Stitch in Time, which is our fabric arts group that meets weekly, to Beginning Yoga, which is going to be starting up pretty soon, to Bingo, every event that we have scheduled is here. And if you're looking and you want to search, you can just jump to an event that you might find interesting, like maybe you're interested in the Queer Elder Family Group. So you might want to sign up for this, and you go here and say, oh, there's the class or the activity. Let me sign up. And it will ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account already, you sign up for your Active Center. And it will ask you, do you have a key tag, which is the fob that we talk about, that is not only good for 10% discounts around town and for checking in at the front desk, but also for registering online. So you need to set up a key tag, or you need to have a key tag. And if you've lost yours, simply call the center and we'll get you one. You'll get to this page to activate your account, and you need to put in your key tag number. So I'm setting myself up for a new account here, and I got a key tag when I signed up. And then it asked me to also give the phone number that I used to sign up. And my email address. And then I need to set up a password. If you want to use the same login for both you and your spouse or partner, you can do that by clicking this box, but I'm not going to do that. And then what happens is it sets you up as a new member. Cool. And you can, it found me, my name is Training Dummy for this. And so it's got me, hi training. And then I can set up my account and I can actually sign up for something. And by signing up, I click on the date that I want to go and register. And it says the next one, this one is September 3rd from 3 to 4. The cost is $0. And I can just register like that and it will sign me up. It's been added to my calendar. Now let's say that I want to sign up for a class that has a cost. So I'm going to go back to activities and sign up for yoga. And yoga has a cost of $6. So when I sign up for this class, it's going to ask me to register. I click on the day I want to go, click add to cart. And I can say add to cart, and then it will sign me up. However, if I don't pay for it, it will only put me on the wait list. So I don't have a guaranteed spot unless I actually pay for it. And if you look now, there's a little 1 under the little shopping cart up there. And so if I click on that, it will take me to a page where I can pay. So I want to sign up. It's $2. They want to ask for my credit card number. We'll see if it will work. Probably not. But I fill in all my secret code stuff, and then it will register me and save this with my account. It's going to give me an error undoubtedly. But if you were using a real credit card number, that would show up as a valid card, and you could pay now and pay on your credit card, and it would be saved for later use. So this is a pretty easy way for you to, from your own home, sign up for classes and activities and make sure that you have a spot. Remember, if you don't pay, you'll just be on a waiting list and somebody can take your spot. The only things that we don't have available that are on this list that we do are trips, and you have to call into the senior center to get signed up for a trip.